If your Ford Maverick is having trouble with Apple CarPlay, you are definitely not alone. Data suggests that up to 80% of these connectivity issues are simple software glitches. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get you reconnected. Start by checking your cable, clearing old Bluetooth pairings, and ensuring CarPlay is enabled in your sync settings. The most common culprits are an outdated phone operating system or a corrupted profile in your truck's infotainment system. If those fail, try performing a master reset of the sync system or checking for available software updates from Ford. Most fixes are done at home, but if your APIM module has failed, you will need a trip to the technician. Software and cables cost almost nothing, but replacing a failed infotainment control module can be quite expensive. If you still have no luck, check your fuse box or search for official technical service bulletins for your specific model year. Keep a basic toolkit handy, including a high-quality cable and a fuse puller, to handle most of these digital hiccups. Remember, patience is your best diagnostic tool when dealing with complex infotainment software. If these steps helped, subscribe for more Maverick tips and troubleshooting guides.